Today, I am going to show you the top free AI video models, which you can use to generate videos with actual audio built in. And some of these video generators are on par with even the top paid AI video models. So, the first model on our list is called LTX2. And this model is the DeepSeek moment for AI video generators. It can generate videos in 4K quality at 50 frames per second, and it can even generate videos up to 20 seconds long with sound, like this. So, I'm going to be explaining how good the AI model actually is, and how you can use this AI model for your AI films and AI content creation. I am also going to show you a method by which you will be able to try this AI model for completely free without having to download it. So first, let's take a look at some of their official examples. Now, the first video here is of this man saying, "We need to run." So, let's see the video.
We need to run. No!
As you can see, this video was really great. If you notice, the lip movement of the man directly matches the native audio generation of the model, which is impressive. Even the quality, motion, and movement in the video look really good, and there are no visible distortions on the body of the man as he's running, which is just impressive. I also really like the background blur that creates focus, which makes people focus on the running man. So this video was quite good. Now let's take a look at an example where there are many people talking. Let's play the video.
When did you first notice that your daughter, Missy, started to spiral?
We don't know what we did wrong.
Let's take a look at a short piece our team prepared, chronicling Missy's downward path.
As you can see, this video was also in really high quality, and the lip movement and the voice of the character match perfectly. This is even hard for the big closed source models to pull off. Most of the time, the voice will come out faster than the mouth movement, or one character will speak the dialogue of another, but there is no such problem in this video model. And because the videos are longer, you can give a lot more information in a single video. This AI model is also really good at creating videos in other animation styles. For example, this is a 3D animation of a boy baking cookies. Let's see it.
Today, I achieve perfection. Golden edges, soft center. The gods themselves will smell these cookies and weep. Wait, did I forget the chocolate chips?
Nope. You forgot the sugar.
As you can see, the voice quality here is at the same high quality level as that of Sora 2. The hand movement, and even the emotion of the character, perfectly match his tone of voice, which is really good. The emotion of the boy is really impressive, and at the same level of quality as an actual 3D animation done by an expert. Use this AI model for completely free. You just need to search for the term LTX API Playground, and click on the official website of LTX Studio. You are then going to be taken to a page like this. In this playground, you will be able to test out the video model for completely free. Here is the prompt box. You will write your prompt here. The website even tells you that you need to write long, detailed prompts for really good video generation. There are two variations of this AI model. One is called Pro, and the other is called Fast. The Fast is optimized for speed, so you are going to use this mode if you want your videos to be generated really quickly. You are going to use the Pro mode if you want the videos to be in high quality and have great movement without any distortion. Here you can change the duration of the video. In the Pro mode, you can only generate videos up to 10 seconds, but if you choose the Fast mode, you will be able to generate the videos up to 20 seconds. You can also generate videos here in high definition quality. If you want to generate the videos in 4K, then you would need to upgrade. Here you can also choose the FPS rate between 25 FPS and 50 FPS. You can choose the setting to your liking. You can turn the audio on and off. If you turn this on, then the videos are going to be generated with audio. And if you turn it off, then the videos are not going to be generated with audio. You can only do text to video here, so you would need to write a text prompt to generate a video. For the first prompt, I'm just going to choose the Pro mode. I'm going to create a simple video of a robot dancing. I'm going to give the AI model this prompt. Create a video of a hyper-realistic robot dancing in a grass field. Also, I'm going to choose a duration of just 8 seconds because there is no need to generate a 20-second video for a simple prompt like this, but we are also going to test that feature in a bit. The AI model has finished generating the video, so let's see how good this video actually is. The sound quality and the music in this video are really good. The only problem I have with this video is that I wouldn't actually call this dancing. The robot is just spinning around the field, but otherwise, the physics here is really great. Also, the robot looks pretty stupid. Why is the steel on the robot bent near its chest? That is something that I did not like about the video, but otherwise, this video is pretty great for an open source model. Now, the second video model on our list is the new and updated video model of Grok called Imagine. Now, to access Grok Imagine, search for grok.com. After searching, click on this website, and you will be taken to a web page like this. After coming to this web page, click on the Imagine button. After clicking this Imagine button, you are going to see all the images and videos that people have generated using this model. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use this Imagine model to create stunning videos completely free. To create images, you are going to write something in this prompt box. Let's say for the first prompt, I want to create a picture in the anime style where there is a house under a tree. After writing the prompt, you are going to click on this button. When you click this button, you will be able to choose the aspect ratio of your image or video. For this first prompt, I am going to generate an image, so I'm just going to click on the image option to generate some images. A really cool thing about the Grok Imagine model is that after you write a prompt, the AI model automatically starts to generate a plethora of images from it. From this one prompt, it has generated a lot of images. As far as I can see, all these images are in the anime style, which is really good. You can click on one image, and the AI model will automatically start to generate similar images to that specific one to create even better results. From all these images you can see, I think this one right here is really good. Now, let's say I want to make a video from this image. To do that, I am just going to click on the Make Video option to generate a video from this image. You can also add a prompt to generate the specific video, and this will help the AI understand what kind of movements you want in that video. But the AI model is really smart, so it will automatically understand the context of the image. I am not going to write a prompt for this specific image, and will just generate a video by clicking the Make Video option. As you can see, the video generations here are really fast. Within 15 to 20 seconds, you will be able to generate a completely good video. As you can see, this is the video that the AI model has generated. The video is quite good, but the only problem here is that the falling leaves from this tree do not look that good. To fix it, you can just generate another video. So, I'm just going to generate another video. This is the second video that the AI model has generated. As you can see, the motion of the tree is really good, and everything looks very nice. I really like the movement of the clouds. Also, the movement of the grass in this image is very natural. The thing is, this video is in really low quality. To upscale this video, you need to click on the three dots and then click on the Upscale Video option for the video you like. The video will then be automatically upscaled to HD, which will make it look really nice. Even the upscaling here is pretty fast. As you can see, the AI model has finished upscaling the video, and now it looks even more crisp and nice. Now, let's try to generate another image using the Imagine model of Grok. This time, I am thinking of creating a hyper-realistic image of a knight wearing yellow-colored armor, standing inside of a castle. I am specifically making this image realistic to see whether the AI model can handle realistic images or not. The AI model here has generated all these images. These images actually look really good, and it seems the claims of this model, being able to generate highly detailed and realistic images, are true. The video and image generations here are almost in real time, which makes this model really good for generating AI images and videos. Now, let's make a video from this image. The best thing here is that you can also choose the video presets. By clicking on this button, you will be able to choose from 3 different video presets. After choosing a preset, you will be able to make a video by clicking on the Make Video option. There are 3 video presets: Normal, which is the automatic video mode, and the other 2 options are Fun and Spicy. If you use the Fun video mode, like I am going to be using here, the video is going to be generated with a lot of movement compared to normal mode. So I am going to generate this video first in Fun mode, and then I'm going to generate it again in normal mode to make you understand the difference between these 2 modes. The first video right here was generated using the normal mode. As you can see, the movement of the knight is pretty natural and actually really good. The second video was generated using the fun mode. As you can see, the knight is moving a lot more, but the movements are kind of weird. That is the whole point of fun mode, to make really funny AI videos, and the movements here are actually funny. You can hear the sound of the video by clicking the unmute button, and it will automatically play with sound. You can also download the video from here to hear the sound the AI model has generated. Now, let's try to create an image of an Instagram model. As you can see, the AI model has generated a lot of different types of AI-generated Instagram models. Many of these pictures you would not be able to generate using other image or video models. You can just select the spicy option to make a spicy video from these images. The video model here has generated a spicy video from this image. The video is quite good, but I am not going to show it on YouTube. Another really good thing here is that using Grok, you can generate images and videos of any celebrity, which you most likely cannot do in other top-notch AI models. For example, I can just write the prompt, create an image of Elon Musk holding a phone. The AI model is automatically starting to generate pictures of Elon Musk holding a phone. As you can see, these pictures are actually of Elon Musk holding a phone, which is really good. So this model is actually a game changer in the AI video industry because it gives the user the creative freedom they need to express their creativity. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.